What's cracking, guys? OmarIsuf here, back with another video. Back actually today with the free program. This is a program I have promised for a long time. I said it was one of my pull-up progression videos. If this video gets over 5,000 likes, I will release a pull-up progression program, a training program, a big back, stronger back program. And so that happened. I've been working on it. I've been thinking about it over the last several months, and finally I have something I'm happy with, something that I think will be applicable for everyone from late beginner all the way through intermediate, early intermediate, middle intermediate, late intermediate, and I think it'll work fantastic. You see, I posted a photo on Instagram, which was my 8-year back transformation. At that point, I had already gained my first 20 pounds of newbie gains, 25 pounds, but from there, I managed to put on another 25 pounds onto my frame. So from 160 pounds to 185 pounds. And even though one photo, the photo on the left, is relaxed or more relaxed than the photo on the right is flexed, you can see a clear difference. And that is only when I started focusing on back training. And I think that's the big problem with most bros as well as most powerlifters. Most bros want what? Big arms and a big chest. All they're thinking about is taking their shirt off during beach season. When it comes to powerlifters, the squat and the deadlift and the bench press are their priority. The deadlift will build your back, but not to the extent that is probably necessary. In fact, back training, it should be requisite for anyone that wants to get stronger. First, when we talk about stability on the bench press, big lats supporting a stronger bench press, the deadlifts resisting the bar from drifting too far forward, as well as keeping the back flat when you pull, and then the squat, creating a strong, stable shelf. But if we take a look at most back training programs, the big problem is essentially that there's no real progressive overload. Saying do a few more reps or get stronger over time is basic. It doesn't give you a real outline. We periodize the big three, so the squat, bench, and deadlift, but we don't do that when it comes once again to back training. Enter this free program, which pause right now, download, link is in the description. You sign up, you get the free program, no strings attached. If you do, if you enjoy the program, make sure to like the video and also leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. I will be answering them. But this represents to me a comprehensive back program that's repeatable. You can do this in addition to any other program. So let's say you're already on a program, you just take out all the back training on that program and replace it with what I have outlined. The back training program here is 3 days a week. Ideally, it'd be something along the lines of a Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, evenly spacing out the days so it allows your body to recover. And it's kind of like daily undulating periodization in that there's a medium, light, and heavy day. There's two primary movements. For this one, we care about the pull-ups because I do think a pull-up is a great general exercise. It's kind of like a squat, bench, or deadlift. You should be doing it. You could focus on the regular pull-up, so you do it with a pronated grip. You could do chin-ups instead, but the progression is essentially the same. So pull-ups are a big feature. I also like pull-ups because it requires minimal equipment. So if you train at home, if you train at a commercial gym, if you train at a hardcore powerlifting gym, doesn't really matter. You can get your pull-ups in. So pull-ups are one of the big ones. This is meant to be a hypertrophy-strength program. If you are a big boy, so your body fat percentage is a little bit higher and you find it more difficult to perform the pull-ups that I put into this program, you can get a band to assist you. So that's an easy way to overcome that. The second thing that we do, we also focus on horizontal pulling. So we focus on progressively overloading that. I like to have a chest supported row, so something where we control the momentum. I find on the bent over row, people use excessive momentum. And then lastly, we throw in some external rotation work in the form of face pulls. So there's a clear progression. It's 8 weeks. It's also repeatable, so you could use this program, replace once again all your back training in your current program with what I'm outlining right here for a big back, and then repeat it once again, deload on the 9th week, and then repeat it once again. I think this is a comprehensive program. It's something that I'm satisfied with. I want you guys to download this and ask your questions away because I will be updating the PDF, the program outline, to make the instructions as clear as possible so you don't get your dick caught in the blender. Anyways, I gotta get out of here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, if you downloaded the program, if I fulfilled all your promises, all the things that you wanted, like the damn video, and I'll see all you guys, my rascals, in that next video. Peace.